With the release of iOS 18, Apple has transformed the Messages app into an unexpected math assistant. Technically, no longer do users need to toggle between calculator apps and their conversations just to solve simple arithmetic or conversions. Imagine being in a group chat discussing who owes what after a night out, and instead of pulling out your calculator, you simply type your equation into Messages, making multitasking easier than ever before. To solve math equations, simply enter your equation, let's say 5-3 hang and watch 15, as the app seamlessly provides the answer right above your keyboard. This feature is not limited to basic calculations. It extends into complex formulas, including trigonometric functions. By incorporating the equals sign, you invite the power of calculation into your conversations. As you see the correct answer appear, you're invited to tap it, integrating clarity and convenience into your chats, while illustrating your math acumen. Conversions are equally uncomplicated and require a similar formatting style. By entering a temperature or value followed by its indicators like 1df please, Messages acts fast, interpreting your request, and garnishing you with conversion results directly above your touchscreen. Whether you're switching Fahrenheit to Celsius or checking how many kilograms your gym weights are, everything is done seamlessly. The app intelligently selects the most relevant conversions, ensuring you won't find yourself in ridiculous territory like converting pounds to time.